What's up, everybody? Zach here with Throttle Addiction, coming at you with another rundown on our current giveaway. This is TA14, our 14th chopper giveaway here at Throttle Addiction. So let's get into it. What did we do with this bike? Started out with a 2003 Harley-Davidson Sportster. This one's an 883. We got the hardtail rear section. Comes with our oil tank, fender, sissy bar. We have a 16-inch chrome wheel. For the tires, we went with Shinko E270s front and back, brand new rubber on this bike. We've got the 5-inch trailer fender that comes with our kit. We switched out the belt drive for a chain. We're running the Throttle Addiction tall sissy bar. That's an option with the kit. We went with the tall here. One of our plate mounts on the back for the license plate, and the box style chopper light, pretty classic, clean and simple. We have some drag pipes on here. This bike came with the mid controls, so we're sticking with those, but we also have some cruiser pegs. This is the Frisco Wassel indented tank, so it's got this pretty cool indentation that comes stock. You can grab that at Throttle Addiction. Frisco mounted up high, use all of that gas in there with the petcock back, 1/4-inch NPT petcock there. And we're running some braided fuel line to the carburetor. Baby Moon air cleaner cover on that. We also have our Throttle Addiction breather bolts on there and the carb mount paired to clean up that whole carburetor area. On the far side here, we have our coil ignition mount all in one as it's a top motor mount, and the choke relocate as well, so really clean up that area. This is the new narrow vintage style Springer. So this is basically all the looks, the good looks of a stock vintage Harley Springer, only narrowed up a ton. This is a new product out there in the world. You can grab that at Throttle Addiction. It is real clean. Put our headlight mount on there, our stainless steel headlight mount that fits into all the vintage style Springers to mount this square style headlight. Grab that at Throttle Addiction. And then we're running a 21-inch spool wheel up front, again with Shinko tires on there. Chopper style risers and 14-inch ape hangers. Everything cleaned up here with the Throttle Addiction throttle assembly. We're using some Baxter motorcycle grips on this one. The real attention grabber on this one is, of course, the paint. By now you know Scott, Chemical Candy Customs, did it again for us. This has an incredible amount of flake in this thing. So much clear on top of it. It looks like it's a mile deep. When the sun hits this thing, it pops. It's blinding. It's awesome. People are gonna see it. They're gonna flock right to it to take a look at this. We've got the golds and the little bit of silver and then the blue details running around. So that's pretty much the rundown on what we did with this chopper build. Again, we put it together right here at Throttle Addiction headquarters, and of course, we are giving it away. So get over to Throttle Addiction. We've given away 13 bikes in the past. This is number 14. Your chance to win this chopper ends Wednesday, May 20th. So get over to Throttle Addiction before that. Again, it ends Wednesday, May 20th.
No purchase necessary, void where prohibited.